Hi Leo. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that come out for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Leo. The Lovers, Three of Cups, Nine of Cups, Five of Cups, Nine of Swords. You could be dealing with a Gemini person, Leo. Ten of Pentacles, Nine of Wands. Oopsies. The Star card, amazing card. But you've also got the Devil. Why do you have the Devil? Oh God. Leo, the card at the bottom of the deck is King of Swords. I feel the King of Swords is not a negative card. I feel they are the people who know exactly what they want and how to go about it. And Leos, with whatever has happened in the recent past, regarding love, regarding any kind of legal issue or inheritance, money, even jobs for some of you, things haven't been that um, peaceful. And you deserve to be loved, Leo. And lately, people have just pushed you around for no fault of yours. And yes, you don't deserve that. You have been in relationships where, or situations where you were pushed to give and not get anything. You feel trapped in other people's memories and the past. And you get sleepless nights, or you used to get sleepless nights because you were involved in some very uh, unreliable situations, unreliable relationships, disloyal relationships with very unreliable people. I feel somebody from your past wants to reunite with you because they're seeing how you have molded yourself and how you've used these tough times to build yourself up and become this self sufficient person, a beautiful self sufficient person who looks good, is kind, is even so happy. They want that, and they see that um, they've lost a gem while they were too busy being egocentric about something. And this could be their energies as well. Somebody from your past who wanted to have a future with you and they saw you as their wish fulfillment. And if they didn't see it that way in the past, now they realize that you were indeed a wish fulfillment for them. And I think it's too late now because Leo, you are moving towards your business, your money, finances, health. Um, you're moving towards stability and you want something that is phenomenal in your life. And why not? After you've given a chance to people who were, um, I'd call them emotional vampires, now you have realized, and you're still healing because see this card, even though you keep coming back to your beautiful reality, you find yourself remorsing over spilt milk, over the past, or how um you just keep asking yourself, how did you land up in those situations, Leo? And it's okay, it happens to people who are emotional and who are giving. But I feel that you guys have decided to take the plunge and follow your dreams, even if you feel trapped sometimes, it's okay. For most of you, your father plays an important role. And if it's not that, then either this is your energies for Leo males who are authoritative and full of pride. But I also feel that if it's this is not your case, then there is somebody in your life who is going to be very important for you and who will have these traits in them. They will be responsible, they will believe in service, they will be authoritative, strong, mentally very stable, and they will bring about stability in your life. So keep a lookout for this person. This could be your wish fulfillment, also, Leo. Yes, you have reached a point where you become this nurturing being. There was a time when you became very bitter because of the circumstances that surrounded you, but now you're realizing that you are more than that. You're more than the circumstances that bog you down, Leo. And oh, definitely, somebody from your past really wants to communicate with you because they realize how, look at the bottom of the deck, they realize how important you actually are and how stupid they were to push you aside. Now, the bottom card that said Knight of Cups, it there is somebody who wants to, offer you an apology, offer you communication, offer you a new beginning when it comes to love, Leo. And for most of you, I think they want a second chance. But it's up to you, Leo, to give it or not, because it could be anyone actually. It could be a friend who betrayed your trust, it could be an ex partner who did something wrong, business partner who did something wrong in your business and left, and now he or she realizes that they really messed things up and they shouldn't have done that. It could also be an ex lover. Signs that I see, okay, you've got the Six of Pentacles even in this deck. So it's a definite clarification that somebody from your past wants to come back, Leo. Let's draw some extra oracle messages. The signs that I see here are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Could be a Gemini for most of you, but I'm not, except for the Lovers card, I don't see any Gemini energies. Could be an Aquarius also. Brothers and sisters. To get along with others, see love and the best within them. Leos. Some of you could be facing issues with your siblings over property or, some kind of inherited wealth. But these cards may or may not be directly related to the tarot. So, yeah. Get more information. Let's see what are the messages for Leo. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. Oh, yeah. So there could be Gemini because you got the Lovers card as well. A time for healing. Yes, definitely. The card at the bottom of this deck says a new beginning, a new start. Yes, Leo. I think we're done with your reading. I'm so happy for these messages. I hope they resonated with you. Thank you for watching. Bye.